We're gonna see if we can clean this thing up. Paint's pretty dead. Should come back though. You got the other hoopty over there. We might do videos on it later. Got some plans for that. He's buying all of the cleaning equipment for the new hoopty.
Yeah.
He bought out O'Reilly's of all their cleaning supplies. Going with the old 2-bucket method. Clay bar, microfibers, ceramic coating, applicator pads, car wash, sponges. And get this going. Right, we're about halfway done with the clay bar. As you can see, this paint is pretty rough. There's one spot that you can see it's actually shines pretty good. The rest of it is pretty dull. Another spot up here in the corner. Yeah, you can see the difference there. So we're gonna go through and do a two-step paint correction on this using Chemical Guys. I'll go ahead and finish up the actual clay bar first, and then we'll get into that. We're going to use a Hex Logic orange pad to start with some V36, and then we'll follow it up with a white pad and V38. Here we are at the halfway point on the hood. Just wanted to show you the difference here. So there's the after, and then you see about halfway across here, the before. Pretty significant difference. Well, now we just got a few hours left for the rest of the car. Got the hood all polished out, both steps. DJ's working on the fender. I'm gonna come back through and ceramic coat the hood itself. See how it looks. you feeling, DJ? We're about 8 hours into this detail.
A little worn out.
Yeah?
We're about done though, so.
How are you feeling about your $2,500 hoopty?
Oh, looks good.
Yeah?
Looks amazing, right? Check that out. That's $2,500 I ever spent.
Be interested to see it in the sunlight tomorrow.
Yeah. It's gonna look good.
Alright, so it's about midnight. 10 hours. Finally finished it up. See how it looks tomorrow in the light. $2,500 hoopty. Alright, here we are. Next day, we're gonna pull this thing out. See what it looks like out in the sun. We spent over 10 hours on this thing. Getting that paint to come back. Actually got some shine again.
Alright.
If you like this video, guys, comment, give us a like, subscribe if you want to see more.